Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. It's experiment time. Oh my goodness, for those of you all who have been with me for a while, you know I love trying to grow things from the grocery store. So I've done a lot of research on this particular one. I've got some yeses and I've got some no's and I've got some you crazy if you try it. But I guess I'm going to fall into you crazy if you try it because I am going to try it. And guess what that is?
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
We have a grocery store grapes. And so I have a really good stem on these. So we are going to see if we can't grow a grapevine, if we can't okay, forget that word. If we cannot grow grapevines. Look at this vine, guys. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do, and we'll be right back. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we can do. First of all, I'm going to take all the rest of these grapes off of this vine, and I'll show you how I'm going to try to grow me another one. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so now I have taken all the grapes off of this vine. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take all these little side pieces off of here. I don't know how good the stem is. I don't know how old it is. I don't know if it's going to work, but it's fun to try. So I'm going to cut all of these off just like that off the side. Don't want it to go flying, but okay, if I can get it cut. I should have had my actual cutters for the garden, but oh well. We're going to cut all of these off if I can get them off with these little scissors. So let me get these off of here and I'll be back. How about that? Okay, so this is what we have left now. I'm not sure which end I should be using. This end looks a little bit drier and it's naturally a little harder than this end. And there are more nodes on this end. So I'm going to actually try the smaller end. I've got a cup here. Yes, it's a McDonald's cup with a solo cup because I couldn't find my clear cup, so we're using the McDonald's cup. So I've just got some regular potting soil in here as well as some mushroom compost. I've also have some rooting hormone. So we're going to do the normal thing. I'm going to first prepare this by cutting a little angle off here, 45-degree angle, 45 degrees, and then I'm going to shave just a little bit off. And I'm sitting at my desk, guys, so that's why I'm kind of looking up and probably looking crazy to you guys. Let me see, I had a knife. Let me try the knife, might be a little bit better. Yes, I'm just whittling a little bit of this off of the end here. And we'll see how it goes. I'm going to wet this end, stick it down in my rooting hormone, and then we're going to stick it right on down in this soil, and then we wait. And then we wait. Okay, that's good enough. Let's see, my rooting hormone. This is what I'm using, just regular rooting hormone, nothing fancy, nothing special. Before I do that, I am going to push a little hole right down here in the middle so I can stick it down there. I want to stick it down there pretty good ways there. And I also have some water on my desk, so I'm just dipping this in water, making sure it's wet. Then we're just going to dip it in our rooting hormone, shake any extra off, and here we go. Okay, guys, short video, but we are done for today. Thank you all so much. Hang around so you can know when I upload any results that we have. Okay, we'll be back to check on it as soon as some progress or no progress happens. Oh my God, guys, be blessed until we meet again. Thank Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. And until next time, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.